Sunshine on the track.
Y'all, what it is, you already know, it's your boy Big Major, man. You know, we in the building. Hypocalypto, we in the building, you feel me? Judge the Boss, you feel me? Shout out. You know, I just want y'all to know, man, that, you know, we got a lot of big things that's going on. So I just want y'all to be, you know, prepared for this shit. And if not, then fuck it. You know what I mean? Because we're coming. And that's all it is. So, you know what I mean? Y'all just look out, man. Judge and the Zilla Boy Camp, man. Y'all look out. We coming. And that's what that is, baby. Holla at me when you see me.